Welcome to the world of handmade wooden wall-mounted crafts, where artistry meets functionality in a beautifully crafted form. Each piece is not merely an object, but a labor of love, meticulously designed to bring warmth and character to any space. In an era where mass production dominates, these unique creations stand out, offering a personal touch that resonates with those who appreciate the beauty of craftsmanship. Whether you're looking to enhance your home decor or seeking the perfect gift, our collection of wooden crafts is sure to inspire and delight. In this unique marketplace, we celebrate the artistry of woodworking and the creativity of artisans who pour their heart and soul into each creation. From rustic shelves that invite charm into living rooms to elegant coat racks that marry practicality with style, our handmade wooden crafts are designed to elevate both residential and commercial spaces. By choosing these handcrafted items, you are not only investing in quality, but also supporting sustainable practices and local craftsmanship. Join us on this journey of discovery as we explore the beauty, functionality, and stories behind each piece, celebrating the timeless appeal of handmade artistry in a fast-paced world. As we wrap up this journey through the captivating world of handmade wooden wall-mounted crafts, we hope you found inspiration and insight into the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into each piece. Your support is invaluable to us, and if you enjoyed what you saw, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more creative content like this. By liking and sharing this video, you help us reach a wider audience, allowing us to continue sharing our passion for handmade crafts and encouraging others to appreciate the beauty of artisanal work. Together, we can celebrate craftsmanship, inspire creativity, and foster a community that values the unique stories behind each handmade creation. Thank you for being part of our journey, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon. Handmade wooden wall-mounted crafts have surged in popularity, becoming cherished additions to both home decor and commercial environments. These unique creations not only showcase the artisan's skill, but also infuse warmth and character into any space. For small business owners, understanding how to market these products effectively is crucial. The right approach can help you reach a broader audience, increase sales, and build a loyal customer base, turning your passion for woodworking into a successful venture. The art of craftsmanship. Creating handmade wooden crafts is a journey that begins with mastering essential skills and techniques. While advanced woodworking can take years to perfect, basic skills can be acquired through various avenues such as workshops, online tutorials, or community classes. This artistry resonates with consumers who appreciate the value of handmade items, often leading them to prefer your creations over mass-produced alternatives. Selecting materials. The choice of materials plays a pivotal role in crafting quality wooden items. Sustainable options like reclaimed wood not only appeal to environmentally conscious consumers, but also add a unique aesthetic to your crafts. Each type of wood has its own characteristics, from grain patterns to durability, influencing the final product's appearance and longevity. Understanding these properties enables you to select the most suitable materials for your projects, enhancing their appeal. Furthermore, sourcing materials locally can strengthen your community ties and promote your brand as a supporter of local industries, adding another layer of value to your crafts. Crafting unique designs. Innovation in design is essential for distinguishing your products in a competitive market. By keeping abreast of current trends in home decor, such as minimalism, rustic chic, or industrial styles, you can adapt your creations to meet consumer preferences. Experimenting with different shapes, sizes, and finishes can lead to the development of one-of-a-kind pieces that capture attention. Offering customization options, like personalized engravings or unique color finishes, can further entice customers seeking special gifts or distinctive home accents. The ability to create pieces that resonate with personal stories or significant moments can deepen customer connections and drive sales. Building a brand. Once you have crafted a selection of unique items, building a strong brand identity becomes essential. Your brand should evoke feelings of warmth, craftsmanship, and quality, allowing consumers to connect with your story. Developing a memorable logo and maintaining a cohesive aesthetic across all marketing materials can help establish your presence in the market. Sharing your journey as a craftsman, including the challenges and triumphs, can resonate with potential customers, making them feel more invested in your brand. Authenticity is key. When customers see the person behind the product, they are more likely to support your business. Online presence. In today's digital landscape, establishing a robust online presence is vital for any business. A well-designed, user-friendly website acts as a central hub where customers can browse your handmade wooden crafts. Utilize high-quality images and detailed descriptions to capture the essence of each piece, showcasing its unique features and craftsmanship. Consider starting a blog where you share insights about your crafting process, design inspiration, and tips for enhancing home decor. This content not only drives traffic to your site, but also establishes you as an authority in the handmade crafts niche, fostering trust and engagement with your audience. Social media marketing. Social media platforms serve as powerful marketing tools for promoting handmade crafts. Visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective, allowing you to showcase your products in beautifully styled settings. Creating engaging content that highlights the craftsmanship and story behind each piece can captivate your audience. Regularly posting updates, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and customer testimonials can build a loyal community around your brand. Collaborating with influencers in the home decor niche can further extend your reach, introducing your products to new audiences and enhancing your credibility in the market. Whether selling to individuals or businesses, your creations can enhance the beauty and functionality of any space, making them a valuable addition to modern lifestyles. As you embark on this journey, remember that each crafted piece is not just a product. It's a story, a connection, and a testament to your creativity and dedication. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the world of handmade wooden wall-mounted crafts with us. If you found value and inspiration in what we shared, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this in the future. Your likes and shares mean a lot to us. They not only help us grow our community, but also allow us to continue showcasing the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into every piece. By spreading the word, you're supporting not just our work, but also the love and passion behind handmade creations. We're excited to bring you more insightful videos, so stay tuned and join us on this wonderful journey of creativity and craftsmanship.